Today we're gonna do a little update on the Hope Commons garden. So let's go in the back and see how it's looking. And current status seems to be exploding with color, leaves, and fruit on the vine. Oh my goodness, look at those tomatoes. All right, so I'm gonna pick a few here and take them home. Oh my goodness. Jalapenos are happening. So originally we asked our friend, one of our friends here at Hope Commons, who is a wonderful gardener, we said we wanted a salsa garden. So mostly planted stuff for salsa. So we've got cilantro, jalapenos, tomatoes, but also there's string beans and squash. And at the end here is our boysenberry plant from Knott's Berry Farm. And it's doing okay. It's got some brown leaves on it, but I think we can tend to it. We got one berry off of it this year, and hopefully next year, many more to come. But let's go home with these items and we're gonna make some salsa. We get our veggies all washed up. Would you look at that? Is there anything better than a fresh tomato from the garden? And think, people used to not eat these things because they thought they were poisonous. Fools. Yeah. I've got my vegetables cut up. We're doing a spicy version with the seeds and stuff in, and a not so spicy version with the seeds out. I also put in onion and some garlic. Hot tip, something I just learned. You know that if you're de-skinning garlic, the skin sort of sticks to your hand. Well, it doesn't if your fingers are a little wet. So if you run your hand under some water, get your hand wet, the garlic skin won't stick to you. It comes right off. Now, we're gonna roast these puppies, get some char on them, get them reduced down a little bit, and make our salsa. All right, starting to get a little char. You can do this on the grill too. In fact, it'll be a little smokier, but you can also use cast iron. And here we have the Trinity. Just using regular grocery store spices. Chili powder, salt, cumin. And we're ready. And just like that, we have beautiful salsa. Most of this stuff was in the ground a little bit ago, or on the plant. And here it is. Oh, and after it cools off, we'll put a little cilantro on there. I'm gonna let them cool off and then put them in the fridge to get cold and then add the cilantro, but I tasted it pretty good. I think my mild is a little better than the hot, but both delicious and good. Amy and Josh are gonna try it. The one in the tall is milder, and then the one in the short is spicier, and it's still warm, so.
Ooh, that's some chunks.
It's chunky.
I can take, it's got a little bit of a bite. Like it sneaks up on you.
No,
Which one do you like?
I like both of them. I just totally chill.
That one's better.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
Did you?
Ba-da-da-da-da-da.